All right, you guys, here I am in downtown Sacramento, right in front of the Tower Bridge. See a bunch of athletics fans walking around because athletics are actually playing here in Sacramento for the next few seasons, just on the other side of the bridge. Pretty cool. There's a lot of life around here right now. I'm here. Finally, I'm going to be showing you the American River. So let's get right into it and let's get started. There's a ton of old Sacramento rail history in this area. Let's check out a little bit of it. Okay, here we go. We're just leaving the Old Town Sacramento waterfront. We gotta go visit it for a historical large downtown center here in Sacramento. Let's see what the path looks like going forward. I've been living in the Sacramento region for a couple years now, and I've ridden the American River in sections, really, section travel. It's a long path, over 30 miles. I have never really started in downtown right outside of the Tower Bridge. Look at any marketing material for Sacramento. That Tower Bridge is in everything. As we pass by kind of a beach section here on the river, you may not think of Sacramento and beaches, but hey, there's something there, right? Crossing over the Jaboom Bridge, going right over the river to the other side of the American River. Now you can ride on the sidewalk, that's no problem, but it's a very low traffic bridge, so I'm just riding on the street. You're going to want to get off the bridge, veer left immediately, and it'll loop you back around under the bridge. And we are moving forward into a park away from the highway. I love it. Like inside this park there's like a marketplace going on. I have no idea what it could be, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get in without a ticket. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, so first things first. I just went through an oak and cottonwood grove. Really tremendous kind of overgrowth in that area. Also very pretty. You see all that white, kind of fluff on the ground everywhere on streets, especially on the trails that don't get maintained as much as, or swept as much as streets, I should say. It's actually quite pretty. So for a month or two each year, you see a lot of that. From the trees, the cottonwood trees around here. I love these trail systems because it really takes you away from the cars, which, the vehicles and the roads aren't that far from here, but it feels like freedom when you're on your bike and you're just pedaling safely on these paths. So incredible. We got about 25 plus miles ahead of us, so let's just, go ahead and put the camera forward and let's push through. Who here amongst all the people watching this video thinks Sacramento is a good cycling city? What do you think? What are your thoughts and opinions? I'm curious. From my opinion, I don't know. I can't put my finger on it, but I just don't feel it's the greatest place to ride on class 2 lanes. Other cities do that a lot better. And the maintenance of the roads in Sac sometimes is left to be desired. So you don't want to be hitting potholes when you're riding on a skinny little class 2 lane around cars that are swerving everywhere. Down this road just a little bit, you'll reconnect, kind of loop back a little bit to the left. You'll connect with the Sacramento North bike path, which will take you all the way up to Rio Linda. It's essentially a commuter path. It's great for making connections, right? But we're going to continue just going straight ahead and down the American River. So let's continue on, right? Kind of meandering towards Arden Arcade. kind of the valley area over there, kind of mixing our way up through Carmichael and beyond. Actually, for anyone that didn't know, Sacramento is the state capital of California. You know, back to the 19th century, this city dates to, and also one of the founding cities of the state. It's been around, very historic. I'm pretty much out here in the dying days of spring, just trying to get as much riding in as possible before the 105, 110 degree Fahrenheit days hit Sacramento. Bring plenty of water, right? Woo! All right, here we go. Made it to Cal Expo. Pushing along, guys, just pushing forward. We got another 17 miles or so before I finish up today, so we got a significant amount left. We're not even halfway through yet. Okay, wow. All right, I just hit a bunch of headwind and put the camera down for a couple miles. Kind of wore myself out a little bit, but I just passed under the Tara O'Sullivan Bridge, which must mean we're approaching Cal State Sacramento, the mini Sacramento Golden Gate Bridge. The Red Gate Bike Bridge of Sacramento. I don't know. Let's come up with a better name for it. Just over halfway on this path. We're gonna keep pushing through. Love being out here. American River, Jedediah Smith Memorial Trail. Crossing over Watt Avenue, street side. All right, we just crossed over Watt Avenue. So the bike path kind of terminates right there if you don't cross back over the road. But on the other side, the path continues running. So here we are. Next step is Riverbend Park, about 4 miles away. So far on this ride, it technically hasn't been that difficult, like very, very flat. And the temperature is in the high 80s right now, so it's not too much of a drain. Tons of trees, lots of greenery. It's gonna help you out a ton in the hotter months. A couple bottles of water and you're all set. Beautiful day out here. We're approaching another river bridge, Harold M. Ritchie Bike Bridge. Wow, really amazing infrastructure here to complete this lengthy bike path. American River, Jedediah Smith Memorial Trail, whatever you want to call it. Pushing on, next up, one of our final stops to the Sunrise Recreation Area. About 7 miles left. Still some lavender flowers out behind me. It's kind of cool here at the end of spring. I thought I had mostly missed that window. About 5 miles left, and I think I've decided to go to the Nimbus light rail station so that I can make my return trip home, which connects you right back to downtown Sacramento. We'll end the video there. Not before we hit the Sunrise Recreation Area. Straight ahead. Here we are. Let's go. Okay, we are actually traveling right outside the outskirts of a city called Fair Oaks, which is a pretty solid biking and recreation town or city. Lots of connections to the American River. We're not going to really stop in the city, but you should check out Old Town Fair Oaks if you have a chance, right off the bike path. There we go, that's a better shot of the bridge. Our goal is to hit Hazel Avenue in about 2.5 miles. So close, guys, so close. I'm gonna admit, I'm feeling tired. Almost 30 miles into this. This is it, guys, home stretch. A little bit overcast here at the end of the ride. It's getting maybe a little later in the day. If you haven't seen my video on the Lake Tacoma Loop, I encourage you to do so. What we're doing now is just heading towards the Nimbus Transit Center. Yeah, and we're going to detour off the bike path here in just a moment. Woo, this is the hard one. This hill's killing me. There you go, safe travels over the highway. Can't beat that, right? Love it. Station straight ahead. Oh, sorry, this is actually the Hazel Avenue station. I was calling it Nimbus station. My bad. But we're here at Hazel Station. We're gonna end the ride here. I'm gonna wait for the light gold rail line to come by, and we're gonna catch it back to downtown Sac. The chime just came through. The train is showing up any second now. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. As always, guys, ride on and ride safe.